Namaste. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing and Dean Faculty of Education and Methodology, as well as Proctor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. First of all, on behalf of the whole fraternity of the Faculty of Education and Methodology, we extend our heartiest greetings and thanks to our Honorable Chairperson of this University, Madam Mithilesh Garg ji, Honorable Advisor and Chief Executive Officer, a very visionary dynamic leader of this University, JBN Vedant Garg ji, our dynamic registrar, iconic lady, Madam Dr. Hema Bafila ji, all the team members of this organizing committee. It is a matter of pleasure for all of us that Faculty of Education and Methodology is all set to organize two different conferences under the different chairs of this university. The first conference, that is going to be started from 15 and will last on 16, will be hosted by the Harvind Khurana Chair of Faculty of Education and Methodology under the kind collaboration of Northern Illinois University, NIU, Chicago, USA, on the topic NEP 2020, Catalyzing Quality Academic Multidisciplinary Research and New National Research Foundation, ICQ AMR 2023, and the prominents who are going to take part in this conference as the chief guest is Swami Nikhleswaranand, who is the chief of the Swami Ramakrishna Mission, Math, Rajkot. Also, a very prominent lady who has a very good academic and administrative credential across the country, Madam Dr. Mamta Rani Agrawal ji, who is the Advisor 1 of All India Council for Technical Education. And we have speakers, keynote speakers, prominent professors, industry experts who are going to chair the sessions. They are from IIT, BHU, Professor Dr. Anil Kumar Agarwal ji, Professor Manu K. Bora from USA, Dr. Bajpai from Uganda, Jinping Songs from China, and Professor Parmeshwar Bhakt is from Bihar, Professor Madam Inakshi Chaturvedi, Professor Indrajit Singh Sodhi, Dr. Venupal Rao Shoma, and Professor C.R.K. Murthy, who is the retired director of Stride IGNOU. And in one conference, means the conference which is scheduled to be held in between 15 to 16, 24 experts from the versatile fields across the world are going to interact with all the students, scholars, and other stakeholders. So this is a very golden opportunity for all the students, scholars, and other stakeholders to join this conference and register themselves to take part in this conference, to present the outcomes of their research. Similarly, the things that is very important to share with you all, under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, the conference which is basically on NEP 2020 and catalyzing the need of research and multidisciplinary fact. In this conference, students, scholars and teachers from the discipline of education physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, life sciences, humanities, they are going to take part and they are going to present their papers. The next conference, which is going to be held and being hosted by C.V. Raman Chair of this university under the kind collaboration of Business Excellence Inc., Chicago, USA. In that conference, all the budding scholars, researchers, industry experts who are from the background of computer science and engineering, IT, food biotechnology, nutrition and dietetics, other life sciences, fashion and fine arts, and journalism, they are going to present their papers, and experts of the different field are going to chair the sessions. So this is a golden opportunity for all the scholars and all the teachers to take part in this conference, and we are very much thankful to the university management for their blessings, specifically to our honorable chairman of this trust, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Trust, which is the sponsoring body of this university, and our honorable advisor and CEO for giving us a very big platform to organize these two conferences on the virtual platform of the university. So I request all the researchers, all the students, all the faculty members who are listening me, that please join these two conferences. And one thing I would like to make it clear, that National Education Policy 2020 is a very emergent and very significant topic, and the new research foundation, that is a dream of Government of India, that how to catalyze the research in the different institutions, whether they are self-financed or whether they are centrally funded or any type of institutions. We are going to discuss about this on this topic under the different sub theme. And if any candidate who is from physics, chemistry, botany, zoology or other science and technology stream, they are trying to correlate with their subject with the NEP 2020 implementation, its hidden ideology. And the conference which is on engineering, and that is being hosted by C.V. Raman Chair under the collaboration of Business Excellence Inc. Chicago. In this conference, our topic is challenges and opportunities in science, engineering and technology for societal development, in short INCOSETSD 2023. This is scheduled on May 17 to 18th. And in this conference, I already told you that Dr. Anil Kumar Agarwal ji, Dr. Saligram Prajapati ji, Dr. Gaurav Bajpayee from Uganda, and Professor Dr. Sarika Srivastava, Director from Varanasi, Nitin Nayak, who is a very expert personality in cyber security, Aston University, Birmingham, United Kingdom, is going to take part in this conference, and Dr. Dharmpal Singh, Nikita Batra, Prabhat Kumar Sharma ji, Dr. Sunil Parikh, different scientists of CSIR, ISRO, some officers of AICT, UGC, they are also supposed to join this conference, and some administrative persons who who have been a very successful technocrats, who have done their MTech and PhD from different IITs, Mr. Judhastha Kumar, who is the Joint Commissioner in GST and others. He is a very successful software engineer. He is also going to take part in engineering conference. So these are the some highlights, and we are expecting the participations of all the listeners. And in every year, it is a tradition. It is during the academic journey, our research scholars, our students take part in the conferences of the university. And in series of conferences, there are 6 conferences in the university. Under faculty of education and methodology, there are 2 conferences. First is on NEP 2020, and the other is on societal impact of science and engineering and others. So I hope you are going to join this conference. Thank you very much. Wishing you, see you on the virtual platform of this conference. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.